Stop by and take a look at the 2023 Ridgeline. The Ridgeline was designed to give you exactly what you need to get the job done. And with Honda quality built right in, this truck can be with you for the long haul and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear step bumper, towing package, alloy wheels, brake assist, remote keyless entry, fog lights, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, power moonroof, electronic stability control. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.
With Honda certified pre-owned vehicles, you know you're going to be taken care of. Thorough inspections, both limited and powertrain warranties, all provide the comfort you're looking for in a pre-owned vehicle. Stop by your local Honda dealer today to see why the Honda certified program is worth looking into.